What's up everyone? In this video, I'll give you my honest opinion of the MadMuscles platform or application or service. Now, MadMuscle is a service that you can use as a web-based service, or you can download their app on your iPhone or Android. And what it does is that it creates a personalized training program, diet, and helps you getting into the habit of training and eating healthy. Now, for someone that seeks a healthy lifestyle or want to improve their health and fitness status, subscribing to a service such as MadMuscles is worth considering, especially if you are a beginner and cannot create or organize your own training and diet plan. However, it is not free. It comes with a basic subscription or a basic price of $20 per month, and it can go up depending on the services and customizations that you add. Now, it allows you to customize your training and diet plan based on your age, your body type, and other criteria. So if I click here on choose a program, it asked me to select my age, and after that I will select my body type, other criteria to help me personalize the right program for me. Now, if you ask me, it is a must-have for beginners that want to get into health and fitness but don't know where to start and how to formulate their diet and training program. So give it a try for yourself and see if it works for you.